it's Tonya from Tonya's Bakeshop, and today we're going to be going over the Trx Jump Squat. So to start off, you want to make sure that your TRX bands are not too long, not too short. You want to have them, I have my TRX just at about my knees, and that is perfect for me. I'm 5'5". You're going to grab onto the TRX handles and step back so that the TRX bands are nice and tight and they're straight. Then you're going to drop down into a squat and then press and explode up with those heels, jumping upwards. And that is a TRX jump squat.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. Thanks, guys!